Want to get fit in the new year? Don't know where to start? They say it takes 21 days to create a new habit. Whether it's to start moving more, start moving again, or even just moving into a better mindset. Join us on our 21-day challenge. Work on creating new habits, stay consistent, get in the best shape of your life, and feel amazing. All workouts are beginner-friendly for all levels and can be done from anywhere with minimal equipment. Make this year your most fit yet. How's it going? Welcome to day 17 of your 21-day challenge. Today's focus is full body. We're gonna hit every single muscle group, and I'm gonna put together some compound movements, meaning you're gonna work two big muscle groups at the same time, which helps with more calorie burn and muscle build and tone. So you're gonna need two medium to heavy weights. I would say medium is better, maybe 5 to 15 pounds max, because we're gonna be pressing that weight over your head. Remember to always listen to your body. If something doesn't feel good, you can back off. If you want more, grab heavier weights or do the workout twice. I have 2 5-pounds today. Like I said, if you don't have any weights, don't worry about it. Just move with me. That's all I want. Okay, we're gonna get warmed up and then we'll get into our full body workout. Are you ready? Let's go. So let's start with butt kicks. Get that heart rate up a little bit, get the blood pumping, fire up those quads. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Now let's go to side reaches. So let's warm up the spine, those arms. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now side reaches. Very 80s aerobic style. They work for the warm up. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take your hands behind your head. Right here, you're gonna squat, opposite knee, opposite elbow, reach. Good work. For 3, for 2, and last one. Good, you wanna step to the back of the mat. I'm just gonna move my weights out of the way. I'm gonna go for a walkout. Inhale, take your arms up. Exhale, walk it out. Good, walk it back. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, walk it out. 2 more. Such a great full body stretch. Good, last one. And walk it down. And we're gonna hold the plank for 10 seconds and then we'll get started. Engage that core, pull the belly in. You've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. Okay. So we're gonna grab those weights and we're gonna get started with our very first move. You're gonna be on your feet and we're gonna go into a reverse lunge with a lateral raise. If it's too heavy, you can do one arm at a time. You wanna go on the opposite arm to the opposite leg. So if you're stepping with the left leg, you take the left leg out, the left arm out, and the right leg is forward. That's the base leg. Okay, let's go. So toning the shoulders, toning the legs in this movement. Now you'll feel the shoulders way before you start to feel anything in the legs. If it gets too much at any point, just give me the lunges. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, awesome. Let's move on to the next move. You're gonna stand up nice and tall. You're gonna squat down, curl for me, and then come all the way up. So working the legs, inner thighs, and biceps. In 3, 2, and 1. And up. Drive it through those legs. You're gonna feel that in the glutes. Firing up those biceps, the front of those arms. Keep going. 20 seconds here. Stay strong. Make sure your knees are not caving inwards as you're squatting. If you can't go as low as me, then don't go as low as me. You can go halfway. 10 seconds. Yes, come on. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful work. We're gonna stay in those biceps for now. We're just gonna add shoulders here. So what you're gonna do is 1 curtsy, 1 bicep curl, 1 shoulder press. Other side. So we go both sides. In 3, in 2, and 1. Curtsy, bring the leg behind, curl, shoulder press. So you're literally working a bunch of muscles all at once right now. Glutes, thighs, biceps, shoulders. Also, I feel this in my calves. Don't forget to breathe. Keep it up. Halfway there. You got 10. Stay strong. You got 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Okay, next move. We're gonna do a little more posterior chain, back of the body movement. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do a deadlift. Your palms are facing towards your body. You're gonna hinge at the hips, and then you're gonna bring your elbows out nice and wide. Come up, front raise. So little shoulders too. So deadlift, row, come up, front raise. Let's go. As you're lifting those arms up right in front of you, make sure that you're not tilting your hips, so draw the belly in. Halfway there. You got 5, 4, 3, come on, 2, and 1. Okay, that is a lot of shoulders and biceps and legs. So let's do a little bit of triceps, which is the back of the arms. You're gonna stand, you're gonna bring the weights above your head, and you're gonna go into an overhead extension. All right, so just like that. I'm gonna turn around so you can see right behind me. I'm making sure those weights go all the way down, all the way up, and I'm targeting the back of those arms. Let's do it together. So all the way up, all the way down. And if you look at me from the side, my rib cage is down, and I'm going into that full range of motion. So I'm not sticking my ass out, right? I have that posterior tilt in the hips. Good, halfway there. Stay strong. I know those triceps, you start to feel the burn quick as well. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. Woo! All right, let's bring it down to the mat. You're gonna go to all fours, and we're gonna do a little bit of back, a little bit of core. So you're gonna go counter body. I'm gonna use the left arm, and I'm gonna kick the right leg back into bird dog. So from here, what I'm gonna do is a row. So I'm gonna extend that arm up and down. Make sure that right leg is not dropping. Keep that hip up and then square it, and let's go into those rows. So what I love about this move is that you're stabilizing your core, and you're also working and sculpting your back and arm muscles. We're gonna hold and pulse for the last 10 seconds. In 3, 2, and pulse. Get that elbow up nice and high for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Feeling that one. I'm gonna switch, move that left weight away, drive my left leg back, square the hip. Let's start with rowing with the right. Keep your neck neutral, so make sure it's Nice and long, don't round. Notice, you might notice that one side feels a little more wobbly. If that's the case, you can always put that heel down, the toes down for stabilization. Good, 20 seconds. You got 5. Come on, 4, 3, 2, and time. Nice. Okay, let's bring it down to those knees. So sitting on those heels, you're gonna grab one of your weights only, unless it's too light. You're gonna lift your hips up and then drive it down. So it's like a reverse hip thrust. Alrighty, baby, let's go. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, come on. 2, and 1. Awesome. All right, we got a few moves left. Don't give up. You got this. Sit down on your butt. We're gonna do Russian twist. Option 1 is to twist from here. If you wanna make this a little more challenging, we're gonna do it right from here. Okay, let's do it in 3, 2, and 1. Good, don't forget to breathe. 20 seconds, come on. We got one more move and we're done, our full body blast. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo, abs on fire. All right, last move. Lay down, we're gonna finish with abs on your back. Extend your arms out. You're gonna go for 1 narrow press, 4 scissor kicks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Last move. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. 1 narrow press. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it in. 1 narrow press. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Don't forget to breathe. It will help you. Good, halfway there, halfway there. Finish strong. These abs, these arms, these legs are on fire, and that's what we want to feel. 10. 4, 3, 2, and time. Woo! All right, drop your weight. Take a breath for a second. Let your heart rate come down. Good job. We did it! Full body workout. Thanks so much for joining me. That was so much fun. Please comment below. Let us know what you thought of this workout. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to tune in tomorrow for the next workout. Mwah!